Yes, done it. Oh, this is bumpy. I've got a new mic. I hope that you can hear me, to be honest. RJ straight up. Everyone's got no tread as well. Oh, he's made it. It's gonna be a good one. I hope the new mic is alright. Been doing some research on like motor vlogging setups and stuff. And apparently the purple panda mics are the one. So I've gone and purchased one. There's quite a few of us out today. It were old Baldy's birthday yesterday. So he's a bit hungover today. He is. And it's sloppy. So that just equals carnage when it's sloppy. Winter rides are the one. Yeah, I'm going to buy another mic. So that one's set up for my other helmet. So at the minute I've just been using the media mod, which has got a mic on it. Oh, that was close. Your chain come off? Hey, them lecky bikes, hey Sizzle.
Not very bad, mate. Not very bad.
Oh, he's hit a tree. Wow. I've caught that up. Sounds healthy. Oh, he's slipping. I'm slipping. Woo. Foot's in. It's gonna be deep. They're Jeep tracks, them. Oh, landy track. So they'll be deep. Oh, buzzer's chain's off and all. Is he sending it? He's gonna. I ain't doing it. He struggled with a tyre. I'm not. Oh, he's doing it. Something right got me in the face then. Whether it was sharp. He's over. Bike's a shammer. Oh wow. Women. 2-stroke. Lovely. I've got a Butts Quarry Day soon. I've been watching a few videos. It looks quite flat, but it's still an enduro event. It will be my first one. But it does look quite flat, which is a shame. But once you go to one, you end up going to them all, don't you? So there'll be more in the future. I do hope all quality is good though. I'm trying to get the good quality. Trying to make it all proper. Do a proper job here, I am. Or attempting to anyway. But it's all trial and error, isn't it? Whoa! Oh! There's a fat hole there and all. Oh, I'm going in. Oh. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't end up in that hole. This is just untouched territory. Thought I'd seen a bike track and now we're in the middle of nothing. Oh! Oh, close. Ah, this is some treacherous business. See, I knew there were a path. I'm in first gear then. That was just pure Slipsville. Stalled it in a puddle, that's not what you want. Did you cut out? Might just be a wet air filter. Turns front back. Seen it coming out then. Oh my god, I hit something solid then. Oh, it's all going wrong today. Couldn't have brought down one hour over there. See that? For a turn, eh? We're riding again, finally. Nice chill day, just chilling. Gotta go up. Don't get close down, people with no tread. Oh my god, I'm getting obliterated. It's in my sleeve and everything. Whoa! Oh my! Not bad. Go then. Love it, love it, love it. Oh! FD1. Oh shit! I've had an FD1. Oh, got myself in a predicament. Get myself past that tree. Cause that tree was lethal then. I was proper expecting to go down. Well, hit it hard. Should I say? New back tyre though inbound, I'm saying. Oh my! I'm getting stabbed. Go on, lad. Oh my god! Go back to try and get some good content. I just get annihilated all the time. This is sick. Everyone's all over the place. Got mud in my eye. Oh, he's not inside. That sounds mad. No one's got tread, everyone's stuck. Back to the bottom, I love this side hill. You can just hear them all spinning it up. Rude! I reckon it's time to show these how it's done. Looks like I ain't showing them how it's done. Whoa! Go on, lad. I hate yogurt sometimes, you know. It's in my eye.
I can see it.
Little sideways track, eh? Off camber. I love these sideways ones. Wow, sketchy. Oh. Ah. Go on, RJ. Oh, he's got me again. Oh, he slid out. See you in a bit. Oh, forgot about that. That section's ruthless. Where's RJ? RJ! Meow. Go on, lad. Oh, that's sick, isn't it? That was close. Oh! Oh no, I know what he's gonna do. Oh, I didn't do it. What a nice guy. Oh, you mother fucker. I'm going, and I'm in. That is the worst place to stall it. Everyone's getting giddy. Oh! Oh, my ass is wet through now. Mate, you're knee deep in that. Shake it side to side. Go side to side with it. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god. If I weren't wet before, I'm definitely wet now. Man, my balls are freezing now. Oh, I'm going. That was close. Oh, I can't believe it. Mate, my ass and balls and everything are soaking and freezing cold. Well, this is tall. That was mental. We'll get it in the middle anyway. Oh! Oh! 85s look so fun. Never know, might be one on the channel one day when I hit lottery or something. Hey, imagine winning lottery. Be a mint feeling that, wouldn't it? You buy any bike you want. What you got us in? Oh shit! Oh. Oh. This is what I'm talking about. Hey, trying horrible stuff like this. This is the one. This is the one. Straight in. Splash! Splash! All over the place. Yeah, this is sick. Flying. Ah, he's annihilated me, I can't see. Yeah, man. This is the one. Going for overtake. Succeeded, succeeded. I need to get some see-through goggles because this getting whipped in eye business all the time is not the one. Oh! Second overtake. Hit bloody neutral. Oh, that's a low. Oh, I'm in bush. I'm getting annihilated. this out of this is just mint. Hey? If you're not riding bikes, what are you doing? Bikes are the boys, double B's. Double B's. Go to random places, I think, when it's raining. Some random riding today, this. Oh, there's a trail there. I reckon that's an animal trail though. Oh, that's a tree. Talk about flooded. Go on then, get your son through it. Mate, that'd be mad if you do that, that's all I'm saying. Oh, he's done it. He's done it, I'm gonna have to join him. Look at all them. Them boys scared. Wanted to find some bog and we found it. I wish it were more boggy. Oh my, I'm in a rut. Good job these are big ruts. What is he doing? He's mental. Why does he do stuff like that? Well, I know why he does it. He does it for camera. Oh shit! Oh! Bro, how's your foot? You broke it? I seen that. Oh, don't stand on it. Sit down a minute. Yeah. Yeah. Wait there. Do you want me to get your bike for you? But I thought you snapped your ankle then. That went sideways. That went in my mouth and everything. Wow! That was a sick rip, that! All these lecky bikes, chain keeps popping on them. KTM in front. Full on nearly snapped his ankle. I thought he did. But somehow he didn't. Fucking God must have been on his side or something then, because he fully folded. Say that weren't like that this morning. Oh well, that's steep, isn't it? Short and steep. Oosh. I'm all over the place. My God! This is sick! Oh! Oh, it changed off again! This is mint. Oh, we'll follow it, RJ. Getting a bit dark there. Yes, done this. So I forgot to do an outro. Well, I didn't forget. I couldn't because the GoPro died. Surprise, surprise. It's always dying in it. It's because I shred hard all day. So batteries aren't long enough, and I don't have enough. I need to get some more. But two clear don't last long enough. But this was a good ride. It was a good ride. A few broken bikes, nearly a broken ankle. That was naughty. That made me feel sick. An edited video still makes me feel sick watching it. But you can't see his ankle on the video. It was not nice, I must say. But I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, good one. Ride safe.